5 Best Portable Clothes Dryers 2017. Number 5. Simple Living FSGR001 2400. Dries clothes in 30 minutes. 180 minute timer. Safety shut-off function. 2 internal racks for fast, efficient and reliable clothes drying. Convenient indoor portable clothes dryer. Dryer rack can be used almost anywhere. Ideal for all kinds of garments including delicates. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 4. Kitapool T23P1. It's back in stock after selling out for the 4th time. Improved even more to outperform any competitors. Number 1 top performing high quality dryer. This exceptionally dependable and extra powerful 1200-watt dryer. 20 to 25% more drying power than competing brands. Trusted dependability and reliability. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 3. Panda P22. Stainless steel drum to ensure long life. 110-volt outlet. Plug anywhere you like. Household use only. Large capacity, easy mobility, and portable to carry around. Perfect for apartments, dorms, RV, boat, travel. Match with various choice of Panda portable washing machine as a set. Gets washing almost dry, not 100% dry, slightly damp. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 2. Household Essentials P1900. Collapsible clothes drying rack with space-efficient umbrella design. Pre-strung with 64 feet of vinyl clothesline, 3 sections hold 6 lines each. 2-piece aluminum center post with snap lock and expandable tripod base. Single action opens and closes dryer for easy storing and traveling. Weight 6 pounds. 72-inch height into 52-inch weight, base, into 62-inch depth, diameter at top. Please check the description for detail and prices. Number 1. Laundry Alternative Nina Soft Spin. Save time and money doing your laundry. Extremely economical way to dry your clothes. 110-volt apartment spin dryer, handles 12 pounds of clothes. Super quiet and very gentle on clothes. Weight 17 pounds. 3-year warranty. Please check the description for detail and prices.